Good morning everyone, it's Friday and I'm gonna do a video because I want to keep you up to date about the results of my PET scan were okay. So I called them because it took way too long. I was waiting more than 2 weeks and the doctor called me and it was okay, and I'll have my next one next year. So that's about it. Now what I'm gonna do is, if my paint would work, what I'm gonna do is a few of these, I can't pronounce it guys, you gotta help me with that, Deckelmania, whatever it is, and I made 2 really beautiful bugs and I'm going to give them away. See if we can put one a little bit more down here. Let's see what this gives us. See if this one works. Yep, it works. So I'll show you that in a minute. But first I'm gonna just see. Ooh, that one's already really pretty. Look at that. That one's nice. But I see that I have some silicone in some of these paints. I don't know which one. Ooh, that's kind of nice. That gives it just a little bit of, difference. Can you see that? Let me see if I can get in really close. There. So that one's kind of nice. I think I'll just keep that one because in the middle there, oh, what's that? That's way too much light. So in the middle here it's really cute, especially in the dark blue. So I'm just going to keep that one and just start a new one. My iPad is going a little wacky with the light, but that's okay. We'll fix it. So this time I'm going to start with some blue, then some blue in the middle, a little bit of blue down there. Like that. I'd like some of that darker, a little bit of darker turquoise. Let's get these things working again. Oh, that really, the lid almost came off. That wouldn't be a good thing. And then we'll just splash some of that yellow on top because I don't want it as light as the other one. I think I'll just keep it like, I don't know, a little bit of green. Oops. Okay, let us look. So we're gonna spread it down here. Oh, those colors are really nice. Those are really nice. And I really like what's going on here, but I have too much paint up here, as you can see. So we have to push it in a little bit. That is really pretty. I'll have to come up with some other things I can do with this because I really like it. Wow, that is a bug. Look at that one. Can you see how buggy this is? That's really buggy. He already has a head. But this one is really cute too. I'm going to keep that one. Okay, let's just give it a little torch. Not too much though. Don't want to get the paper all wobbly, but this is kind of really nice. I like this one. I'm going to keep that one too. I'll show you the prints. So under the video where it says more information, I'll give you the link to download these if you want to, if you think it's cute. So I have this one. This is the one I did with a little bit of gold. So the ochre parts you see, that is the gold. And then I made a really bright one, a little bit of happy colors. That's a kind of cute one too. So if anyone wants one of these or both, you can download them. Just go to the link under the video where it says more information, and it'll get you right to my Google Drive space, and you can download it from there. Okay. So I'm not going to make this too long, but I sort of like what I'm doing with those colors. So I'll just do one more. I really want to thank everyone that had me in their prayers and were thinking about me. Somehow I really think that makes a difference. I don't know why, but I do believe that's to be true. I always, when I see someone on Facebook where they say, you know, something's happening or to their family or to themselves, and they ask for a little prayer, I always do. I just believe in it. I believe that it helps. Just sending a little bit of love that way. Somehow that, I don't know, I think it makes a difference. Now I want to do one swipe up here. Hoo-hoo, that one's cool too. I really like that one. But it looks a lot like the other ones. But it already has a really bug-shapey thing. Let me just get a little bit more blue into it, just to make it a little bit more dark. See what happens when we do this. Now it's a little bit darker, as you can see. I'm liking those colors though, and it almost doesn't have a lot of turquoise in it, which I normally really love. We'll just keep that one too. Okay, one more and I won't bore you to death. I know some people said, you know, I can watch you do that all day, but I don't think so. So I'm going to do now a lot of turquoise colors. And a lighter turquoise. Then I'm going to come in with some really nice rusty brown, which I don't have in those really easy containers. Then I'm going to come in with a little bit of dark brown. These are all mixed colors, guys. It's all, you know, what I normally use for my pours. And we have to have a little bit of green. Okay, let's see what this one is going to turn into. So first I'm going to push it down a little bit. Ooh, that is pretty. I like that in the middle. Whoa, got a little bit dirty. Don't want that. Never know what you're going to do with it. This is kind of nice. Let's see if I can do something with the torch. Yep, that's working too. So some of those colors have silicone in them. You can just see really tiny little cells, not really big. But I like that too. And I'm wondering if I can make, do I have my, let's see if I have my little cards. Because I'm thinking about maybe doing a piece of jewelry, one of those hangers. Let me do one more. I know I said I would only do one. You know me. So let's see if I can do one more. But then I'm going to do more paint so that I can make use of the silicone in it. So a little bit more dark. Yep. Then the dark brown. And we're going to put some more on top of that. A tiny little bit of green. Smack in the middle. So that's a lot of paint. I'm going to let it run down a little bit. And I'm not going to push it out too much. So see, now I have a really thick layer of paint on there, and I'm going to see how much of it is going to sell. Ooh, that's a lot. That's a lot. See that? I kind of like that. Was it this color? I'm gonna do a little bit more. And then with the brown on top. Just to see what it does. And now I ruined it. Yeah, it's ruined. That's too bad because I really like, oh wait a minute, it's working a little bit here in the middle. I might see what I can get out of this. Just one more. I'm sorry, if you don't want to watch it, just turn it off. I can't help it. Because I was thinking I kind of liked, oh wait a minute, let's put some gold in there. Because if this turns out nice, we can use this as jewelry. So maybe we'll just do this. Ooh, wow. Now that is my sort of color, but only I don't like this, but I love that. And putting that in a some sort of a hanger thingy. Wow, that is beautiful. I'm going to keep that one. I love that. I can't help it, but these are my colors. The turquoisey and the rusty color and the gold. This is really beautiful. I'm going to keep it. I'm going to see how I can cut out something here and use it for a hanger. Just one more, guys. Because I think I'm onto something. Maybe we should do it like that. Let's try that. So we're going to put a lot of that turquoise, but this time I'm going to not stop with turquoise, but I'm going to put the turquoise between the blue and then the gold. Okay. Open sesame. Nice, but not as nice as the other one because I'm not seeing the gold. So I'm gonna try and get the gold there. Like that. And a drop of brown on top. Now we're gonna see if the gold comes out. Normally it opens up. Looking better. But now I've lost the turquoisey color. See that? It's not as easy as it looks. But we'll just keep it like this. And I'm sure I can take something out here or there that's going to make it look cool. Okay, guys, way too much of these. So I'll be coming back maybe today, maybe tomorrow, I'm not sure. But I'm going to be doing another alcohol abstract, this time on paper, and I'm going to do an alcohol base. I'm also working on a really big resin thing, but that's a surprise. So I'll be back. Love you all to pieces. Thank you all for thinking about me. Bye-bye.